Now, if the points A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 are collinear, if the points, these 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle ABC will be equal to 0, or we can say x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 will be equal to 0. Now we will take some more problems on area of triangle. First, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of triangle formed by the points A 5 2, B 4 7 and C 7 minus 4. Now A 5 2, B 4 7 and C 7 minus 4. Let this is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now area of triangle ABC. Now this is equal to half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now this is equal to half modulus x1 5, now y2 minus y3 7 plus 4 plus x2 4 minus 4 minus 2 and plus 7 2 minus 7. So this will be equal to half 11 55 minus 6 minus 24, so minus 5 into 7 minus 35. So this will gives us minus 4. So modulus of minus 4 is 4. So the area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 square unit. Area of triangle ABC is 2 square unit. Now next problem. For what value of x will the points x minus 1 2 1 and 4 5 are collinear, or we can say or lies in the same line, lies on the same line. Now we have to find for what value of x they are collinear or lie in the same line. It means the points are collinear. Now because points are collinear, therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, or modulus half x multiplied by 1 minus 5 plus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 plus 4 multiplied by minus 1 equal to 0. This will become minus 4x plus 12 minus 8 equal to 0. So minus 4x equal to minus 4. Therefore minus 4x equal to minus 4. So x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Now next problem. Find the area of quadrilateral. Find the area of quadrilateral whose coordinates of vertices are minus 3 2, 5 4, 7 minus 6 and minus 5 minus 4. Now we have to find the area of quadrilateral. Now let this be area of quadrilateral ABCD. A coordinate is minus 3 2, B is 5 4, C is 7 minus 6 and D is minus 5 minus 4. Now join AC. Now to find the area of quadrilateral, so here area of quadrilateral, this is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ABC, this is equal to half modulus minus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 6 plus 5 multiplied by minus 6 minus 2 plus 7 multiplied by 2 minus 4. So this is equal to half minus 30 minus 60 minus 40 and 2 minus 14. So this is equal to 70 84. So 84 by 2 equal to 42 square unit. So this is the area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ACD, this is equal to half minus 3 minus 6 plus 4 plus 7 minus 4 minus 2 and plus minus 5 multiplied by 2 plus 6. So this is equal to half minus 2 plus 6 7 42 minus 42 and minus 42 minus 40. So this will be equal to 82 minus 76. So 76 by 2 equal to 38 square unit. Therefore area of quadrilateral, this is equal to 42 plus 38 equal to 80 square unit. Equal to 80 square unit. Now next problem. Prove that the points A0, 0B and 1, 1 are collinear if 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1. 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1. Now given condition is 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1. Now take LCM AB. So it will be b plus a equal to 1. So b plus a equal to ab. Now this is the given condition. Now for the points to be collinear, for the points a0, 0b and 1, 1 to be collinear, area of triangle will be equal to 0. Therefore area of triangle is equal to half a b minus 1 plus 0 plus 1 0 minus b. So this will be equal to half ab minus a minus b. The value of ab is b plus a minus b. So this will be equal to 0. Therefore points are collinear.